In this video, I'm going to show you how to bulk delete profiles in Klaviyo. To start, log into your Klaviyo account. Once on your homepage, look to the left side, scroll down and click on Audience, then select Lists and Segments. For example, if you want to clear out profiles from your first list, click on it. Inside, you'll see all the profiles. You might notice you can click on the three dots next to each profile and select Remove. But doing this individually is slow and not practical for large numbers. Instead, to remove all profiles at once, click on your account name at the bottom left corner of your screen. From the menu that appears, select Settings. Once inside Settings, click on Other at the top. Then, from the left sidebar, choose Profile Maintenance. Under the Remove Profiles section, you'll see a drop-down menu. Click it and scroll through to find the list containing the profiles you wish to delete. Select it, and then click on Delete People. A confirmation screen will appear showing how many profiles will be deleted. It will ask you to type in their exact number to confirm. Enter the number carefully, then click on the Delete option. Depending on the size of your data, this might take a few moments. Once completed, you'll see an option to return to the previous page. Now, if you go back to Lists and Segments and open the same list, you'll see it's empty, meaning all profiles have been successfully deleted, and that's how you can quickly bulk delete profiles in Klaviyo.